Have you ever had this problem? I know you probably have. You go into Photoshop and you've got like this photo of this bear. Now, don't let that bear confuse you because it's a hot summer day in Wichita, Kansas, and he looks tired. You really don't want to get too close. He wasn't actually very happy when I shot that photo, but I like that photo. It's kind of a neat image. And so I print a test print. I go into Photoshop, I get it the way I want to, I color correct it, and I go File, Print, and I print it, and I like it. I then save it the correct way, TIFF, PSD, whatever, and I move it into another program like InDesign, which would be the excellent program to use if you're doing print. But the colors shift. Just go, this is Adobe. These are the same programs. What's going on here? You haven't synchronized your color systems. You can go into Photoshop, actually go to the word Edit on the pull-down menu and go down to Color Settings. Now you'll notice, watch what happens to the image. You can see it change. Here's my settings. It does actually slightly shift colors when we try some of these others. But you'll notice what it's saying up here. Unsynchronized. Your Creative Suite applications are not synchronized for consistent color. So you come over here, you choose one, but it's not going to make any difference if the other programs aren't synchronized together. So we have to do something about that. So we're going to get out of here, go into Bridge. We're going to click this button right here for our bridge. Go up to the word Edit in Bridge and go down to Creative Suite Color Settings. Now, whether you have Photoshop or the whole suite, you will have Bridge. Go into Creative Suite Color Settings. Choose one of these. You say, okay, that's another thing. Monitor color, North American general purpose, newspaper, web, internet. I don't know which one of these to choose. Actually, you would choose different ones based on projects you're working on. This is not something you set and then forget. However, if you really want to set it and forget it and not really worry that much about it, this is the one you want to choose. North American General Purpose 2. That one is going to keep you happy unless you're really finicky about color. What you do, it says not synchronized. We click Apply. Every program now in the Creative Suite is synchronized to that same color setting. You will no longer have a problem with printing an image in one program and having it print differently in another program because you have just synchronized the color systems, and you need to do that up front right now before you start anything.